Will with Just Add Water. We're out here in Ankeny still. We're on day 2 of this big pond renovation. You can see we kind of hit our goals yesterday. We got this all demoed out. Right now, this first part behind me is our second shelf height, so we're about 18-ish inches right now. We still got to clean it up a little. And then we still have that third shelf where we'll go down even deeper. Hey guys, it's day 3. We're out here at this farm renovation in Ankeny. You can see we're still digging. We did hit some pretty tough clay. We're just about done, and then we'll have our big old liner that goes in, fabric liner, and then we start rocking today. So we'll be rocking by here shortly.
As in any good project, we're gonna run into some problems. And hey, Will, what'd you find?
We have a mystery electrical wire and some irrigation that we have to reroute.
Not the first time, and it won't be the last.
What up guys, we're back here at our remodel. I may have forgotten the camera last day we were here, but as you can see, we've been dealing with some rain, so we are kind of prepped and ready for that. We'll drain the pond so we can get back into there. Today the big goal is to get that intake bay done. We've got that irrigation problem in there that we're gonna have to reroute everything down and under and around and all of that stuff. And then the exciting text message I just got this morning, our stepping stones are done, so we're gonna go pick those up here, and then we'll be able to rock in the rest of the pond. Here's our rain we've been dealing with. So we'll get all this pumped out and pitter patter, we're gonna get at her. Hey guys, just wanted to follow up. We are officially donezo with this renovation project out here in Ankeny, Iowa. So we had an existing pond that was about 18 inches deep, bare liner pond, no rocks, no gravel, little amounts for like fish habitat or hiding or anything. So what we did was we came in, we dug it a little bit deeper. We created shelves in there. A couple things that make this project unique. We don't have a skimmer unit on here. We actually have an intake bay, which is just a bigger, more natural looking skimmer. They both serve the same purpose. Jets right here that push it all the way across, and then that's that viewing stone. It's gonna push more. We got this cool, fun, big rock here. Do some yoga, sit on there, meditate, do whatever you want. You got a deep spot for your feet, or you got a nice little shelf there. I'm just trying to give you all the info, bro.